Okay, now I will take the video for you to talk about the example 10 in the lesson on page 12. On page 12, that is this one. Example 10. A. Factorize line x squared minus 18x minus 16. B. Factorize 27x cubed plus 8. C. Hence or otherwise, factorize 20x cubed plus 27x squared minus 54x minus 40. Okay, now, first of all, we have A. Okay. We will see 9x squared minus 18x minus 16. This one is called 18. So you will think that, okay, first step, 9x squared. We can choose 1x times 9x and also 3x times 3x. These two we can choose. For the negative 16, we have many choices. We have negative 1 plus 16, negative 2 plus 8, negative 4 plus 4, negative 8 plus 2, negative 16 plus 1. We have 5 choices. Now let's have a look. Because we got 18 here, if we got 9 and then plus 1 or something, you will never get 18. But because 18 is a multiple of 3, so why don't you try this one first? 3x and 3x. So if you try 3, that means something that minus together will get it. That means something number, maybe 3 times negative 8, we'll get negative 24. And 3 times plus 2, you will get positive 6. This may be correct. So let me try this. 3x, negative 3, 8 plus 2. So we times together, we get 6x minus 24x. You got negative 18x. Oh, bingo again. So the final answer we choose for part A. Okay, let me take the focus first. That will be 3x minus 8 times 3x plus 2. This is part A. Okay, now part B. Part B, you are going to factorize 27x cubed plus 8. Okay, this is a cubic formula because for 27, you know this is 3 with the power 3 x cubed plus 8 will be equal to 2 times 2 times 2. That means this is 2 cubed. So you will see this is a cubic formula. So for cubic formula, please pay attention. A cubed plus b cubed. I've told you to remember it like this. We have a small bracket, we have a bigger bracket, and then the first side is positive and negative and positive. This is a squared, this is b squared, this is a, this is b. And the middle one is not 2ab, it's only ab. If you do not remember this formula, no one can help you. I've told you in the last video. So you must remember this. Okay, now we have this one. Okay, equals bracket, bracket. Okay, now 3x will be a. So this one, we will put number 1, 3x. Number 2, 3x squared. Number 3, minus 3x. Okay, plus something square. Okay, this is plus something. Okay, now we put 2 here for b. So we also put 2 here for b and 2 here for b. So the final answer will be 3x plus 2, 9x squared minus 6x plus 4. Okay, we have a part and we have b part. Okay, now we remember these all. Now look at part C. Part C. You will see hence this word. Part C. We will see hence this word. That means we may use A part or B part or both. Use this one. Okay, now, so let me focus first. Okay, now we have 27x cubed plus 27x squared minus 54x minus 40. Okay, now we look at this. For part A and part B. Part A, you will see 9x squared, but you will never find 9x squared here. Okay, this is 27. Okay, focus. For 18, we do not have 18. For negative 16, we don't have 18. So we may not use A for the first part. So why don't we use B? Because for B, you will see 27x cubed here. And luckily, in part C, you will have 27x cubed here. So if you want to use part B, 27x cubed plus 8, why don't we add this? Add 8. But if you add something, it's so strange. So why don't we minus 8? So we'll get 0 over there. Plus, okay, I take away the part A and part B first. Plus 27x squared minus 54x minus 40. Okay, now we have this one. So we will use part B for this one. So I change it. Okay, I use the red one. Copy by part B, that is 3x plus 2, 9x squared minus 6x plus 4. Okay, and we copy negative 8, plus 27x squared minus 54x minus 40 here. Okay, we only change these two to this one. This 4 we copy here. So now, okay, let me focus. Okay, we copy this once again by blue pen. But this time what we do is that we have negative 8 here. We have negative 8 and we have negative 40 here. So why don't we put them together? So plus 27x squared, we copy it. Negative 54x, we copy it. And finally, negative 8 and negative 40, that is negative 48. If you do not know how to calculate, why don't you use the calculator for you? Okay, 3x plus 2 times 9x squared minus 6x plus 4. Okay, now, for 27, for 54, for 48, you will find something that is 3. Because 3 times 9 will be 27, 3 times 18 will be 54, 3 times 48 will be 3 times 16 will be 48. I'm so sorry about that. 3, okay, times 9x squared minus 18x minus 16. Okay, we got this one. Okay, look at this. What's this? This is part A's question. Part A, we will have 9x squared minus 18x minus 16. So they are the same. So for hence, we use B here and then we use A here. Okay. So finally, we get 3x plus 2, 9x squared minus 6x plus 4 plus 3, and then we copy part A. That is 3x minus 8, 3x plus 2. Okay, for these two. Okay, now look at this. We have two terms. This is first term and this is the second term. Okay, for these two. Okay, now for these two terms, you will see they have 3x plus 2 for both two terms. So we take the factorize of it, 3x plus 2. Okay, use the square bracket. Now, we take out this one. So what we left is 9x squared minus 6x plus 4 here. Okay, 1. Plus 3. Okay, we take 3x plus 2 here. So plus 3 we will copy here. And also 3x minus 8. Close the small bracket and close the square bracket. We have this one. Take out this one. Both for this one outside there. And put this bracket inside here. Plus this one. Okay, we got 3x plus 2 we have 9x squared minus 6x plus 4 plus 9x minus 24. Okay, we break down it. And then finally, we get 3x plus 2. We'll break down it because we have square bracket here. So we will do the expansion here only if we have square bracket here. Okay, 9x squared plus 3x minus 20. Okay, we get this one. Okay, luckily, can we factorize this? The answer is yes. Okay, what can we factorize it? Let's have a rough version here. We will try 3x, because we only have 3. That means something will minus left 1. So this is plus 5 and negative 4. And negative 4. Why? Because after we do this, this is negative 12x. This is plus 15x. And we got 3x. So luckily, we solve something like this. 3x plus 2, 3x plus 5, and 3x minus 4. We finally make it as 3 bracket because this is cubic questions. For cubic, we may break down to 3 for the last choice if it's possible. Okay, now let's have a repeat. First of all, it's unbelievable that because by part B, we have 27x cubed plus 8. So we plus 8 and we negative 8 have this one. Okay, we use the cubic formula once. And then we take out 3 over there. We find the part A is here. And then we factorize through part A. And then take out the 3x plus 2 and do the further factorization. So this one we have is about 5 marks to 6 marks in your tests or examination. Maybe. Okay, so let's have a look over there. If you still have any problem, please ask me very well and very quick. Please. Thank you.